In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a standard operating procedure doc in Notion. This process will help you streamline your workflow, ensure consistency, and provide a useful reference document for your team. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a clear understanding of how to create a comprehensive SOAP database, set up a reusable SOAP template, and enrich your procedures with visual instructions. Let's begin by creating an SOAP database in Notion. To do this, open Notion and navigate to the workspace where you'd like to create your database. Once there, go to the sidebar and click on Add a Page. This will open a blank page where you can name your new SOAP database. Think of a title that reflects the purpose, such as Company SOPs. Now for the page type, select Database. When you're setting up the database, you'll want to customize the fields or properties according to the details relevant to your SOPs. You might include properties like procedure name, department, person responsible, review date, and a status column to track progress. It's crucial during this step to tailor the database structure to align with your operational needs. This lays the groundwork for all future SOP entries. Next, we will create an SOP template within this database to standardize the information every procedure should have. Having a consistent template not only saves time, but ensures every detail is captured uniformly and nothing is overlooked. To do this, enter your SOP database and locate the New option. Clicking this brings you to a page where you can draft your template. Here, you should add sections for purpose, scope, responsibilities, step-by-step procedures, and any supporting materials. By setting this draft page as a template, every new SOP you create in your database will have the same, consistent structure. To make the template, click the arrow next to the New button, select Plus Template, and fill in the sections we've discussed. You can format these sections using Notion's tools for headings, bullet points, or checklists to further enhance clarity and organization. Finally, let's amplify your SOPs by adding visual instructions. Adding visuals like screenshots, diagrams, or videos can vastly improve user comprehension and retention. In Notion, you can easily incorporate these by using the Hierarchy command to embed images or videos directly into the SOP. For example, to insert an image, type Watch Image and upload a relevant visual that corresponds to each step you're documenting. Videos can also be embedded directly by typing a video and pasting a link from a platform like YouTube or uploading your own file. Visuals are especially useful for complex processes where a written description might not suffice. They serve as a valuable resource when onboarding new team members or when updating existing practices. And there you have it. By establishing an SOP database, designing an adaptable template, and integrating compelling visuals, you arm your team with a practical and detailed guide to your organization's procedures. This investment in clarity and organization will pay dividends, creating smooth and consistent operations across the board. Thanks for watching, and happy building.